Hey guys, I'm back again to introduce our newest coffee today. Is the Nguisse Nare, coming to us from Sidamo, Ethiopia. Nguisse is a fine producer of amazing coffees. This one is no exception. It's a naturally processed coffee from Ethiopia, so we're gonna get tons of juiciness, tons of sweetness, fruity kind of explosion. We get notes like blueberry jam, kiwi, lychee. Sometimes I even get like a grape candy. It's super sweet and very tasty. What makes this coffee also unique is it's a single variety. So it's variety 74158, which is named that because it was kind of improved in a lab in Ethiopia. But it's really nice to see this kind of Ethiopian heirloom, but just a single variety. Today, I'm gonna be brewing it on the Kalita wave in order to enhance some of the sweetness and body and texture that we get from this cup. So what I'm gonna be doing is using 17 grams of coffee ground, a little bit coarser than my usual pour over. And I'm gonna be using 270 grams of water and my kettle set at 97 degrees Celsius. We're gonna start by dosing the coffee, starting our timer and pouring our bloom, which is gonna be 55 grams of water. And we're gonna let that sit for 45 seconds. At 45 seconds, we're gonna do our next pour. This is going to be about 110 grams, so we're gonna go up to a total brew weight of 165. With this pour and the last pour, I'm gonna start by doing spirals and finish the pour in the center. This is gonna help raise the volume of water quickly in order to increase the drawdown and make sure you get a nice quick brew. At 1 minute and 25 seconds, I'm gonna do my final pour, bringing this up to 270 grams total weight. This coffee should draw down in about 2:30 to 3 minutes, and that's where you'll find that perfect balance of sweetness and juiciness. If you wanna try this recipe for yourself, you can pick it up in our cafe or on our website.